Welcome to Workshop Wednesdays. So today's just another workshop update. We haven't done a video in a long time, and I apologize, but we've both been extremely busy. So this is kind of just a workshop update of things that I've been doing and things I have in store. So I've been working a lot on my boat. I'll give you some footage of that. And we finally got it back on the trailer. We pretty much sealed up the keel. So this isn't going to be any kind of sailing boat, even though it's actually a sailboat. We're going to have to just use the motor on it, because if you try and put a sail on it with the keel missing, it's just not going to happen. It's going to tip over. So anyway, I got the boat done. As you can see in the workshop, I got the AC unit in. I'm trying to get prepared for Florida's summer, because right now it's still pretty cool out. It's winter, so I should be out here working on stuff, but with the holidays, just been crazy busy. Happy New Year's to everybody. I wanted to get a holiday video out, but I didn't have time, so I hope everybody had a great holiday. This is going to be the first workshop update of the year, and Wednesday is going to be the first workshop Wednesday of the year. As a resolution, even though I never do resolutions, I'm going to try and do workshop updates once a week and workshop videos at least every other week. Hopefully get up to every week. But I got a ton of stuff in the plans right now, including some tool reviews for a tool that I'm going to get soon, and hopefully some more tool reviews down the line. So. Also, Jason has been working on a different YouTube channel, so I'm not real sure how much we'll see him in the shop. He's also got the glass blowing studio. Maybe we'll do another video in there, just because he's been so busy with all that, he hasn't been able to put any videos out either. So just keep checking back. We got a lot of good stuff in store. I'm going to be making a end table. I'm going to be making a bed frame for a twin bed, real basic, and then also more turning, more shop upgrades and things of that nature. So that's about it. Just give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll get you some videos very soon.